Hello friends, welcome back to our Packet Tracer series. In this series, we are going to discuss about troubleshooting. As per our subscriber request, I am making one troubleshooting lab. I am going to give this assignment to you and you have time, 1 day, 2 day, take 2 days and try to finish this lab. After that, I am going to do a solution like answer for this lab. I am going to solve the lab and show you in next video. But in this video just I will give you high level overview about this lab, what is the issue or something, some tips I will give you. Your assignment is you need to do the lab, means you need to solve this lab and submit to me. You can send me WhatsApp message, I will give you the same file of this packet tracer, or send me email. As I know you all are having my WhatsApp and email ID. If you don't have, write your email somewhere in the comments, so I will send you the file. Okay. So in this lab, I will show you what is the issue high level, and you need to complete and submit to me back. Okay. So let me give you some introduction about this lab, what this lab is saying. In this lab, if you see, we have troubleshooting lab, that is branch 1, 2, 3 is unable to communicate, try to look and make communication between them. So if you see, this is a R1, you can rename this one as a branch 1. Okay. And you can see this is R2, you can rename this router as a branch 2. Okay. In the lab you need to do this one in your assignment. And this is a R3, you need to change this R3 into branch 3. Okay. After that, there is nothing is written for this here IP, what IP, here what IP is assigned to this interface. This all you need to put the label also by checking. Okay. So let me show you. First of all, this you can open this PC and try to ping this PC to this PC. Okay. If these two PC is unable to communicate as per this lab, so you need to verify. If it is unable to communicate, then you need to check all the IP address and default gateway is correct or not. If it is correct, then you need to check what is the router interface and try to look routing protocol is running in this router or not, or the interface is down. Maybe here, if you see, here is red color, here is also red color, so maybe interface is down. So go and check in the show run, you can check the what is a configuration is running, or you can write show IP interface brief and you will check the if interface is up or down. If it is down, then you need to go to this interface and write no shut, so this interface can go up. Okay. So these are the basic thing you need to look, but anyhow I will show you few steps so you can follow that one. Okay. So what I will do, I will first of all, when I want to start this one, I will go here, I will go to this PC. Okay. Then I will go to desktop, I will go to IP address. I have IP address 192.168.1.2 and this is the subnet mask, and 192.168.1.1. so now I need to check this is a default gateway for this this is a default gateway of this PC, this is the IP address for this interface or not. So what I will do, I will go to this router and I will go here, and then I will write here in this router, I will go in this I will enable, then I will write show IP interface brief. If you see, we have the interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0 is 192.168.1.1 and this is up and up. So this is the correct one. Okay. So this is correct. So I can go to this PC and this IP address I can copy and I can paste here. I will rename this PC with this IP address. Okay. So we can have the idea this is the IP address for this PC. So I know that this PC is having correct IP address as well as correct default gateway. So I can check. Now let me go to this branch 3 or branch 2. I will go to branch 2. I will open this laptop. I will go here. I don't have any IP address. So you need to assign the IP address. You need to go to this branch interface and check what is the IP of this interface, and you need to assign that IP to default gateway of this laptop, and you need to assign the different IP. Like if this one is having 192.168.3.1, then you will write 3.2, 3.3, 3.4 like this here, and default gateway will be 192.168 3.1. Okay. So if you see here this laptop, let me check here, we have IP, no we don't have IP. We don't have IP here also. Okay, so let me go to this router and check here. Okay, let me go here and I will check. I will go in enable. I will write show IP interface brief. So I have IP address assigned. If you see fast Ethernet 0/0 is 5.1. So I need to check this interface is F0/0. So F0/0 is nothing but 192.168.5.1. So what I will do, I will minimize this. I will go to this computer. I will write 192.168.5.2 because 5.1 is the router IP, right? Let me show you. 5.1 is the router, that is this will become as a gateway. So I will copy this. I will go here. I will paste this here. So this is the IP address we don't have before. Now I assign. Okay, what he is giving me invalid, or let me paste here 192.168.5.1 invalid gateway assign entry. Let me write here 192.168.5.1. okay, so this is okay. When I copy paste it is copy more characters, that's why it is giving invalid entry. So you can type like this, then I will cross this. I will okay. So now I assign the IP address to this one. So I can ping from this PC. This PC I have already the IP address. So I can go to this command prompt and I can ping from this PC to this PC. I want to make communication between all the branches. So if I put ping and this IP address, what is this IP address we need to see. So let me do this, move something like this 192.168.1.2. So I will write 192.168.1.2. so let's see reply from this host, destination host unreachable. So we are not getting the reply, that is saying destination host unreachable. So we are unable to communicate. Maybe there is issue with the routing protocol, or maybe you need to go to each and every router and check. How you will check? You will write show IP route. You will check route are getting or not, and you can write show IP protocol, which protocol is running, because all this we cover already in our CCNA 200-301 series. If you are new, you can watch that series. We have 50 to 60 video already there. We are going to update very soon more video. So you can watch that all videos, then you are able to solve this lab. Okay, this is very easy lab. You need to go to each and every router, write show IP interface brief and check whatever IP is present in the interface. If it is correct or wrong, if interface is down, you need to make up, and you need to go to inside the router and you need to write show IP interface, show IP route to check all routes are getting or not, and which routing protocol is running. You need to write show IP protocol, so you know which one is running. RIP is running, OSPF is running, EIGRP is running, or which one is running. Actually in CCNA 200-301 series they removed the EIGRP, so I did not teach in that series. But if you want to learn that EIGRP also, you can see the same series, packet trace series, we already teach EIGRP. You can see and you can learn that one. That is also important. In interview they will not look like this. This is not in your syllabus, so I will not ask the question. It is not like this. You need to prepare, even though if it is not in the syllabus. EIGRP is important. You need to have the idea about that one, because I am covering everything, but as per our subscriber request they are asking me this is not in the syllabus but you are covering, why like this. So I am not covering. But if you are interested, if you want to learn everything, because if you want to pass your interview, then try to see our packet tracer series also, because in whatever I did not cover in CCNA 200-301 series, that I cover in our packet tracer series. If you want to crack the interview, try to see our packet tracer series also. In that you will find some more protocol which is not present in CCNA 200-301 syllabus, but we cover there, and they are going to ask in your interview. Okay, so now so I already shown you how you need to do, so you can easily track that one. If you face any issue, no problem, I will in next video I will show that one. But now basic you will start from here. Okay, you ping already from here to here, you ping, you are not able to ping. So first step what you will do, you will try to ping from this PC to this interface. You can ping or not. So what I will do, I will write ping 192.168.1.1. So reply is coming, means from here to here connectivity we have, so no issue. From here to here, no issue. Then you will ping this interface. So what is the IP address for this interface? If you see 192.168.2.1, okay, 2.1. So I will go here, I will try to ping 192.168.2.1. Here we are not getting reply. So maybe interface is down, or maybe any issue. You need to go to this router, write show IP interface brief and check interface is down, then write no shut. So this interface will go up. So if you ping this till here, okay, then you will ping from here. If you are pinging this interface, okay. If not, check the interface. If it is interface also up, then check there is a routing protocol is running or not. Try to ping from this router to this router and this router to this router. Like this you need to complete this lab. For all this one you need to do. This is your assignment as per our subscriber request I created. This is a troubleshooting lab number 1. So try to do this one. Very soon we will have more troubleshooting labs. Okay. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.